Hey guys, I'll show you a little tip. See that? Run my chalk line there pretty straight. For what I'm doing, it's going to be perfect. I'm not spending 80 bucks for a 6x60. I measured that out. Use your chalk line. Try to freehand it best I can. Sir. Alright, here we go, buddy. something there. Woohoo! Too bad. 6x6. Yeah. So for what I'm doing, that's pretty doggone good, huh? Let me see. Just got here. Always straighten it up just a little bit. It doesn't have to be 6x6. It can be like 5.5, something like that. Side turned out real well. Yep. Whew. I got her pretty straight. First time I did something like that. Freehand. Whew. A lot of work. I think she turned out pretty decent for what I got to work with. I'm going to straighten out a little bit, get my hands a little break. Yeah, we'll make this thing decent. Like I said, instead of buying a board, just do that. Love that 660, man. It's just nice saw, man. Thing got some real grunt. You just hit the throttle lightly, it'll go through it. I was afraid to cut it like super fast. Get kickback. One thing I learned, there's like compression in the log. You see those side pieces popping off? Yeah, that's kind of scary. I know this thing was bent, a tree was bent and fell over. Yeah. I don't want to chop this up into all firewood. So, it's pretty doggone good. Hey guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I know my arms didn't. Fingers are tired from that, but that's a nice saw, man. That's beautiful. So, any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll try to straighten it up with I got a smaller saw. I'm going to try to make it nice and flat and go from there. Yep. It's kind of roughed in. Okay guys, the next time, keep feeling the heat.